hene hai lai bumani kaisa kotor goselaimung sini bubagrani naharmung tongmani already Bengaluru sini Maharaja bo press meet khaye norok samani khana kana sini ti prasa skill ganang nurses GNM NM rogno Japan ni mani ko phrangi ko Japanese language phrangi Japano samung tangrani bagi rohornani kaham manmarini bagi kaham azimuni bagi rohornani kok samani tini chung supungweni phachi senior tongo Mr. Ajay Kumar Sahani, Managing Manager, Sourcing and Administration, Navy's Human Resource and Private Limited. Borobini sini MOU, sini yang Deputy CEO tongo, sini PU Principal Official Health ni, tay sini tay keroksa PU tabo Deputy PU Health, tay sini oro Social Activist. Takuk James, tay takuk John, borok khana ingin tongo, borok chana belai chubaka samuni bagai. Tay Bengaluru tongai chini takuk Dinesh, borok chana belai chubaka borok no bahambai. Eke chini o nahar mungkai no rokda chana saina no, chung Japano hospitality ni bagai, chini oro zara GNM, NM pass out unzag rok no. BSc Nursing. Overall, Sangtano Rinai through Navy's ni passing day, Chinoro Pan apply Kaimano, Boro Navy's Pano apply Kaimano, Chung U Bishiwo maximum hospitality war 3 jona Chini Cherogno Chung, Japan or Hanani target. Borogno Chung, ADC Hapang passing tea Kaye. Khoroksak ni jeng ADC 50,000 jeng sponsor khaine barokno jara registration na musnai jara serna musnai Japanese language te baire o Japan Germany Korea ro thangai service ni musnai rokno borok candidate ran 10,000 khai baro registration ma khaine te kaise additional 50,000 borok Puila samani chono 1,40,000 candidate dina nangnai. Hai ni chungabano tini kok salai abano kisarika tabo candidate ro 60,000 rinai chung ADC 50,000 rinai. Okay, total borok ni 3.5 mane sara 3 lakh taka total boni course everything registration course fees rati sara 3 lakh taka nangnai. Sara 3 lakh taka nangtaba rina nangya candidate simino 60 lakh ma rinai ADC 60,000 ADC 50,000 बाद बाकी बोनी जे रांगर थाई तोंगमानी जे नेविस न जे रांगर थाई तोंगमानी 2,40,000 बरफ साका ननो चुन जापानो जर्मनीओ कोरियाओ साकरी निमनी पोरे तिरुक निनी बेतनी नि नंतानै रिमाननाय के ओबो नंखा सिनी तिनी नि ओ एग्रीमेंट जारा थांना मुचुनाय गोबां मानसिनरो नार्स नि साकरी सानि फायनाय तंबायो GNM NM पाइनि नि ओ BSc नार्सिंग रक जारा खायजाग रक गोबां अपॉर्चुनिटी ताबो फातारा हास्टेल थाङै एटलिस्ट थाइसिनो सिनि ताखुक साका 1.1,40,000 नि बेतननि चिमि 3.5 लाख बेतन नंनायनि खर्चा पार मान्थ अब हाय अबन बागै के बरक अलरेडी ओ टारगेट नाउ नि ओ बरक नि नरक जारा रजिस्ट्रेशन खैने बरक नि नों जे बाद बाकी आउटस्टैंडिंग पेमेंट दंमोन आबो रिमेनिबो बरक आके खायरिगा गेचिनि नाहार मुं खताखु तेबको जोंनादि गवर्नमेंट जॉब तो लिमिटेड गोबां मानसिनि तिब्रा सरकताबो गोबां जागाव कोलकाता बेंगालुरु चेन्नाई आबहायरगो नार्सिं कमप्लीट खाय नगो गोबां आसक जागो दङ सोलोंनि दंनायबो दङ फातारा सामुतां दंनायबो दङ केनर निबागै जों माने बुबाग्रा कताल कैसा नांगमानी हिस्ट्री कैसा अपॉर्चुनिटी नरने रेखा जरा मुचुकनाय दाखि फाइ चुंबाय करंदी बरक दाखि इंटरव्यू नानै बेस्ट जरा मुचुकनाय बेस्ट करंखौ रनो जों फातार हरनानि बागै चाटियोकनाय आबानि लगे जों फाइनाय साल केयार वार्कार बनानाय ड्राइभार ताई हिंगे कंस्ट्रक्शन वार्कार ओ बिल्डिंग नामनानै आमफ्राय सामु अबाहायरावनोबो जों सामु स्किल खायै फातार सामु तांनानै बागे रखरनानैबो जों चाटियोकनाय अबं खायसिनि नाहारमं सिनि एडिसि हाफां सिनि त्रिपुरा सारकनो रां रि तंमुं चामुं बरंनि मानथाय खाथि थाइना खबै सामुं तांलाय तंमानि जों जया हामग्रानि सामुं तां तंमानि जों जया बुबाग्रानि नायकल मुंबाय जों हर साल थुयाके नवान सलाय सामुं तांलाय तंग ताकुते बुकुसं अबनं खाचिनि थांसानि मारि चिनि बुबाग्रानि नायकल मुंबाय चिनि एदिसे हाफां जों ताबुखग्रातै लामा गाहामते हिमै बति प्रसार रत्न बाहायके जों बियां फासिं थांके बर थांके जों रां गाहाम खायमानो गाहाम तंमं तुबैमानो लोकरक आजिमानो आबो नाहारमंबाय जों सामुं तांलाय तं केताबक नरक सिंगिमाने चिनि अजय कुमार साहानी जी बंख नेविस अनि मैनेजर सुरसिंते एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ बने थाने नेविस नि नाहारमं ताबु खायतं बसुक बिसिरोमि खायतं बफ्रंतिमि tlangraknai omutiro bon thani nok singiman hambai.
Thank you, respective dignitaries of TTADC. And my name is Ajay, and I'm General Manager for Northeastern Region. And today it's a privilege for Navis HR, because on behalf of Navis HR, I'm representing entire Northeastern Region. And today we have signed an agreement and MOU with TTADC regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany, as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have a student from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from Northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student, for the student of TTADC areas, and we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad. And this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Navis HR, because having a tied up with TTADC is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about, we are going to, as many as we can, we are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of TTADC. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MOU will benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead. And definitely we are really humble and thankful to TTADC. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first they will have to go through an aptitude test. All the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having an conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand. They have to understand about the script. They have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agree that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now. We already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.
Jara Tangnama Chonai, Japano, through Nevis Vicente interview Rui, test Rui, Borok Tangnama Chonai, Baron, Bagation, Dakino, Portlica, Vicente, Chini website in Vicente, advertisement in a. Kebaronot about Ashin, or the Shagatashingo. Actually, Japan Nikishul culture, Borne Okotongo, Bosket, Borne Bebohar, Borne Tong, Samung Tongo. Actually, Azagaro, Boro, Bokrok Tolakai Kulumung, Bukok Samung, Nomro Bodro, Mahiro Kaban, Metatum, Japanese Hamutangani, Kok Sanke Sana, never Sirigleko, Kokshire. Amti Herozoton Panutang, Aran Borno Pipe and Penny Japan, the Borokno. So, Abahikis, there are Saniman Night, Borokno, Borok Silekana. Even Tlangan is Shagang, the Tlangan Fruman, Bumopa, Shoikan Gake. Buma in Dublin in Zeratan and Pit, Nin Buma Garden Buma Pashu Soy, Soka, a Afrosi Borok Langley. The Pulan Chimney, Jaratana, the Patara, Japan, Germany, Anton, in Korea, Anton, but our language to Japan, our language, the Prunen Borok Tangai. Eke Pulan Chimney prepare any penny buffet. That can start Kajan advertisement Kakakan, interview of screening process Kaye. That is Rohan Vagi Satya.